creators and my dear friends. I, Kiran Rajani, along with my team, welcome you to the Pleasant Morning Assembly. A new day means fresh starts and new opportunities. So let's greet the day with open heart. Thus, get ready to remember the Almighty, the Creator of whole universe. Join your hands, close your eyes, and start the prayer with Eric Mary James.
God, help me to use today as you would wish me to use it. Don't let me waste my time today. Help me always to know what I ought to be doing and to do it. Don't let me miss any opportunities today. Opportunities to learn something new, opportunities to make myself a little better and a little wiser than I am. Don't let me quarrel with anyone today. All through today, don't let me forget you, so that whatever I do may be fit for you to see. All this I ask for your love's sake. Amen.
Thank you. A prayer is the song of hearts. It reaches to the ear of God. So I request, join your hands, close your eyes, and now start the prayer song with Pragati and Nidhi.
Lord, I come first, bowing here, I find my rest. Without you, I fall apart. You are the one that guides my heart. Lord, I need you. Oh, I need you. Every hour I need you. My one righteousness, my righteousness. Oh God, how I need you. Lord, I need you. Oh, I need you. Every hour I need you.
Thank you. Pledge means an oath to fulfill our duties. So let's take an oath with Nandini Dhule.
Pledge, take together. India is my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage, I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall do my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness.
Thank you. School is the first and foremost stage where a child learns to become a civilized human being. Thus, we need to give respect and honor to our school. So, get ready for school anthem with Nidhi and Pragati.
There's a bit of knowledge everywhere, the greatest gift to be accumulated. There's a need for determination, the vast degree of motivation. Let us join our hands together to attain the greatest knowledge. Let us make efforts to grow and win the space of future. Walk with us, dear fellow team. Lead us all to wisdom. Hope for the better tomorrow. Your faith can be rewarded.
you for remembering our duties. With the new day comes new thoughts and endless possibilities. So, to enlighten us and brighten our morning, here comes Pavan Chanyo with the thought of the week.
Thought for the day. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to lead, no one can stop you. I repeat, if you are willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to lead, no one can stop you. Thank you.
Today is the birthday of many stars. So, let's wish them a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear.
Respect for ourselves guides our moral, and respect for others guides our manner. In this skit.
The Kind Villager. Once a gentleman was travelling by train. He felt thirsty, so he got down at the station in search of water. He found a tap, but just then the engine whistled and the train started. He ran but missed the train. When he inquired about the next train, he got to know that he had to wait for one more day to get his train. He was very disappointed that he missed the train, but he had no choice. He decided to find a place in the village for a day's stay. He went to the nearby lodge to ask for a room, but found none. In the end, he reached a small hut. He asked the owner of the hut if he would allow him to stay in his house for a day. The owner was poor but a very kind-hearted villager. He welcomed the stranger to stay with him. The friendly villager served him food and gave him a room to stay, but did not ask or expected anything in return. In the evening, when the clock struck 7, the gentleman heard a knock at the door. The villager opened the door. The gentleman saw the man well dressed and entered in the hut. He was the Jamidar. The Jamidar demanded the village to pay his debt. After listening to their conversation, the gentleman came to know that the villager was in need of money. Next morning, the gentleman had to leave early for his train. He went to thank the villager for letting him stay in his house. But as the villager was asleep, the gentleman left an envelope next to the villager's bed and left. When the villager woke up, he saw the envelope. He saw that there was a note addressed to him that read, "You helped me, but did not expect anything from me. Yesterday I heard the conversation between you and the stranger and came to know that you were in need of money. Please keep this money as a token of appreciation for your help." The villager was grateful to receive help. He paid his debt and lived happily. The moral of the story is when you help others, others will help you too.
Okay, now I would like to welcome our class teacher, Mrs. Aparna Ghosh, to enlighten us with her message.
Hello students, I hope you are well, staying safe and healthy. Moral of the story is when you help others, others will help you too. When you can give without expecting anything, in return you have mastered the art of living. Thank you. Stay safe, be well and healthy. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, this is the ending of today's morning assembly. We promise you to meet again with new thoughts, thinking, and better performance. Thank you.